To our honored guests, respected faculty, proud parents, and our wonderful WST team members, and above all, families, to the extraordinary graduates of the class of 2025. Today, we celebrate not just what you have accomplished, but who you have become. This moment marks a beginning. The world is not waiting for your resumes. It's waiting for your ideas, your values, your innovations, and your courage to do things differently. You did not come to Washington University of Science and Technology just to collect a college degree. You come to become a builder of your future and of something bigger than yourself. You came to grow not only in knowledge, but in purpose. And now you are ready. This university stands for something more than academics. We believe in education that leads to ethical innovation, dignity-driven leadership, and entrepreneurship with meaning. That's why we do not stop at theory. We build platforms for action. We are expanding our various labs, including cybersecurity lab, into a full-scale simulation of a professional work environment. So students like you do not just graduate, they launch with real-world scenarios, real responsibilities, and real impact and real innovation. But that's not all. Today, I'm proud to announce WST is launching a bold new innovation and entrepreneurship incubator. And we are not just offering space or mentorship. We are offering capital too. If you have a product, a service, a vision, an innovative idea that solves a real-world problem, we are prepared to invest up to $2 million for your idea, for your selected innovation. Yes, up to $2 million. Because we believe your ideas are not just academic, but they are transformational. We do not want our graduates to just look for opportunities. We want you to create them. And we are committed to working with you every step of the way. Because that's what entrepreneurs do. We do not wait, we do not follow, we build, we lead, we serve. From my own journey, starting from almost nothing, I have seen how skills and vision can change lives and lifestyles. I have had the honor of helping over more than 20,000 individuals find meaningful career. But it all began with one decision: to believe that value-driven entrepreneurship could be a force for good. From my own entrepreneurial journey, 3 truths I want to share with you today. Number 1, solve something that matters. Choose work that touches lives, eases burdens, or brings light to those in need. When your efforts improve someone else's world, even in the smallest way, your work will always have meaning and never lose its value. A group of students once used AI to create a tool that helps detect early signs of diabetes, saving people from blindness, especially in underserved communities. That was not just an idea, that was not just a project, that was not just an innovation, it was purpose-driven innovation. It was purpose-driven innovation. Number 2, start where you are. Perfection is not the starting line, it's the outcome of perseverance. Do not wait for perfect. Progress begins with courage, not certainty. OpenAI, the platform behind ChatGPT, did not start with a perfect product. It started with a vision to make AI accessible and safe. Iteration after iteration, it became what it is today now, changing the whole paradigm. They did not wait for perfect, they built toward it. Number 3, the most important one, my favorite one, lead with ethics and justice. Your values will carry you through challenges that talent alone cannot do that. In today's AI-driven world, you may have the power to influence millions of decisions, but without ethics, that power becomes irrelevant, dangerous. In a world racing toward innovation, ethics is what keep us human. Skill may lead you to the door of success, but it is the strength of your character that keeps you standing when the winds of challenge rise. The future does not belong to the smartest or the fastest. It belongs to those who lead with integrity and justice. When you choose what's right over what's easy, when you honor truth over shortcuts, you become more than just a leader. You become a force for good. Let your innovation be bold, but let your conscience be louder. Class of 2025, your education has given you the tools, the proper tools. Now, your choices will define your legacy. Use your brilliance not just to build a business, but to build trust. Use your innovation not just to disrupt, but to uplift. Use your voice not just to speak, but to stand for something. You do not need permission to lead. You just need the courage to start. And you are more ready. Thank you very much. Finally, as you rise, do not forget the place that believed in you, your university, Washington University of Science and Technology. Stay connected, give back when you can, and help us build a brighter path for those who will follow in your footsteps. This university grown 600% within a very short time. It's not me, it's not one-man show, it is a team. We have a wonderful team. Our faculty members, as you know, a scholar plus practitioner, they have 4 to 30 years of industry experience. In an average, they have 18 years of industry experience that you are seeing them. So, I'm thanking them. They are creating the replica of work environment into the classroom settings so that you can get proper tools to innovate, to serve the community. I salute you, my faculty members. And our administration, including Dr. Bark, Hassan Karabark, and other team members, are doing wonderful job. So I'm thanking them also. We have a PAC member, Program Advisory Committee, always dedicatedly helping us all the way. Our proud board members are there. They are also helping us so that now we are seeing the result. Congratulations, class of 2025. We believe in your vision. We support your dreams. And we cannot wait to see what you build. Thank you very much.